This is an introduction to the Money Management and Financial Freedom Blueprint program of Great Pathways. Great Pathways is bringing this program to you in order to help you with the search that you are having right now for a way to get to your future comfortably and in confidence. We make this program so that you can have an opportunity to be over a couple of weeks in the position to be confident as to where your financial future lies. If financial advisors are always asking if you are tired. Are you tired of feeling uncertain about your financial future, worried about retirement, about debt, or how you're going to take care of yourself in the later years that you will be here with us on this planet? Well, you're in the right place. If you have been worried about how your money will work for you, how to put it to work for you, how to prepare for tomorrow with the money you have today, then you are in the right place. Welcome to the Money Management and Financial Freedom Blueprint. This is a hands-on practical course, practical program designed for mid-career professionals and also for pre-retirees, probably like you, but anyone who wants real financial results. Let's dive in. Be honest, money can be stressful. Yes. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by debt, unsure of how to save, or worried about your financial future in general, then you're not alone. Many professionals find themselves at the crossroads, stuck between financial responsibilities on the one hand and uncertainty of the future on the other. So this program is here to change that. The rule of personal finance is that it is not personal and it is not financial. So said James Altucher. It's about your ability to make 10 changes in what you do, how you spend, what you take in, where you take it from, and not be too distressed or depressed about it. What we do in the end is to have a comfort when we do our finances the right way. So let's be confident as we go forward. I can tell you, I know firsthand what it feels like to be overwhelmed by financial stress. A few years ago, I was drowning in debt, working long hours, and still struggling to make ends meet. I constantly worried about my future, my family's sustenance, and I felt trapped by my financial situation. But eventually one day, I decided that enough was enough. I decided to dive into understanding how budgeting is done and how I could do it easily. I tried to look at my debt and tackle the ones that I had head on. Yes, tackle even the new offers I was getting for new debt. Tackle how I will get and acquire the things that I needed. And so budgeting, tackling debt head on, and exploring also how to move savings into a phase where it becomes investing. These were the things that I decided to do. I put my head down and slowly but surely, my friend, with a little bit of determination, but a lot of hard work, this time though, with purpose, I transformed my financial life. And that transformation inspired me to create this money management and financial freedom blueprint. At first, it was not for sharing, but it was rather for making sure that I would never ever fall back into that pit of financial darkness. Now, here we are. And I'm sharing my journey with you. I'm doing so because I want you to know that change and positive change is possible in finances, no matter where you are and no matter from where you are going to start. This is not just another financial course with theory and statements that you will forget in a week or two. No, this is a hands-on, step-by-step program. It takes control of your money only when you begin to do what we are sharing. And it helps you to eliminate the debt that is overwhelming you at the moment, or it helps you to prepare to be more thoughtful and purposeful in the debt that you undertake, knowing that you have a pathway to eliminating that debt in good time during your life. This program helps you on a path to building wealth and secure your future in general. It is like a guidance program. And it is broken down into 8 very powerful modules. Each one tackles a critical aspect of money management, ensuring that by the end of the program, you will have a complete strategy, a practical roadmap for achieving and for maintaining as well your financial freedom. You will learn budgeting indeed, not just in theory, but we look at the things that you have to spend on, the income that you receive, and we will see how you can best adapt it to ensure you are on a path to comfort and freedom in your finances. This is what the program will do for you. I said budget. Remember, a budget tells us what we cannot afford, but at the same time, it doesn't keep us from buying what we cannot afford. William Feather had given us that quotation, and that is the life of this program that we are offering. Let's take a quick look at some of the game-changing lessons in this program. We'll go beyond the basics. We'll go teaching proven strategies to set clear goals, not goals in theory or textbook goals, but goals related to your own situation, to your scenario, to your dreams and aspirations. We will look to help you master budgeting, not just budgeting in spreadsheets and apps and computer apps and so, but laying down what you will receive, where you will receive it from, and how you will actually spend it for your benefit today and also for tomorrow. This program will also help you game-changingly know how to tackle debt so that you become an adult a couple of years from now, free of debt and in financial freedom, because we'll also tackle how to start growing wealth. And so let me share with you that this program really works by the example of John. John's story. John is a real life example of how this program can transform your financial life. John is a mid-career professional, and he was once overwhelmed by debt and had no clear plan for his future. But he was feeling the stress, feeling distressed. And with the strategies that we taught and shared with him, he was able to learn how to budget on his terms, in his way, effectively. He learned how to eliminate debt as well. And he began to build a robust savings plan that has been growing recently into an investment plan. So now what we find today is that John is not just surviving, but John is thriving because he has a clear roadmap for his financial future, and his confidence is contagious when you get to meet him. His success is indeed testament, a good testimony of the fact and to the fact that with the right guidance, with the right program personalized for you, then you too can reclaim or claim control of your finances and step into a future that is filled with opportunity, filled with personal success. This program, my friend, is specifically designed for mid-career professionals and for those nearing retirement who want financial roadmap, financial guidance that they can trust. Examples that have been successful in bringing others to financial freedom. And if you're serious about achieving financial freedom, you could call it your liberty, then you look to this program because it is for you. It will bring some stability and will help you. Why is this necessary right now? Because the biggest financial mistake, can you guess what it is, my friends? Waiting. Every day that passes without a plan, without action, means missed opportunities. It means mounting debt, and it means more financial stress. And the sooner you take control, the better your financial future will be. And that's why we say now it's time for the program. Don't wait. Don't wait for financial stress to build up. Invest in your future today. Click below to enroll and get into this program. Book a consultation if you still have questions. Just a quick call with me so that we can begin the journey. I can explain, you can ask, and we can get on the way to your financial freedom together. I thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you in the program. And I look forward to being able to, like I boast of John, boast of your transformation or you're easing into a path to financial freedom. I want to thank you very much for joining me for this introduction, and I look forward to seeing you in the program.